One.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Harry Norman's channel.
Today we are going to be doing a Beanboozled challenge, where we will spin this wheel, and it'll choose what jelly bean we need to try. All right, you're going first, and we both will try the same jelly bean. Go first. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? What color is that one? This one right here. Yep. All right, ready? Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? Ready? Yeah. What'd you get?
That's rotten egg. What'd you get?
Rotten egg. Get that out. Woo. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug?
Oh, no.
So we gotta split this one in half since... Here, I'm just gonna bite it off, alright? Alright, ready? Marshmallow.
Yep.
Oh, wait. Annie, will you get me a pen?
Sure.
Alright, spin it. And let me mark off the... There, and what do we have? So if it lands on them too, we don't have to...
Sorry, I just had to give Sucker a penny.
Alright. Nope, spin again, it landed on the... Berry blue or toothpaste, so this ain't gonna be too bad.
I like the taste. Thank you.
I got berry blue, how about you? Toothpaste? Try another one.
That's toothpaste.
I got berry blue. Not that bad. Alright. Alright.
How did you make the chocolates?
Birthday cake or dirty dishwater? So that would be these ones right here. Ready? Go.
Hey. But yeah.
Dirty dishwater. Ugh, that was disgusting. How'd it taste?
Like dishwater.
Alright, go ahead. Spin it. Juicy pear or booger? Alright. So we have already done the toasted marshmallow or stink bug, the buttered popcorn or rotten egg, the birthday cake or dirty dishwater. And now we're on to the juicy pear or booger. Ready? Go. Booger. I got the booger. What'd you get? Definitely not pear. That is booger.
This burger tastes like a burger.
It
What does it taste like?
doesn't taste too good. Alright, alright, go ahead, spin it. Spin it again. Coconut or spoiled milk? That was spoiled milk.
Yeah, what? You say I drink spoiled milk. That ain't nowhere near like.
That was disgusting. Ugh. I like how we've already got like every dirty flavor. That was disgusting. Alright. Spin it.
Thought you gonna spin it once in a while.
That was my turn. This is my turn, my bad. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dog food.
Blech. Ugh.
That ain't as bad as that milk was.
No, the milk was disgusting. Alright, let me mark it off. Alright, we got 1, 2. Got 2 left. You just wanna pick between these two since we got 2 left. What do you want to do first? Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks or Peach or Barf? Peach and Barf or Tutti Frutti and Stinky Socks? Which one?
Tutti Frutti.
Do we even have any?
What color are they?
They're like rainbow color. Yeah, there's one. Oh, here's another one.
What are these, huh?
It's either tastes like Tutti Frutti or a Stinky Sock. I got Tutti Frutti. What do you get? Tutti Frutti?
Yeah.
Alright. Now what color is the P for Peach or Barf? Oh wait. We got strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish to go too. What color is that? What is this?
There's one of them.
Let me see. I can't tell.
That looks like dead fish.
Did we do buttered popcorn or rotten egg? Yeah, no we did.
Yeah, we did the egg. It's
Now what's the... Oh, this looks like the peach or barf, huh?
the same as them.
Well, then what's the P for peach or barf? We'll just try these ones. See what one it is. And then, wait a minute. What does that look like?
Nah, that's not the same as that.
No, this looks like a dead fish. Yeah. This is peach. We have the peaches right now. This is the dead fish. Alright, yeah, okay. That looks more like the dead fish, right? Alright, ready? That's barf. That's disgusting. That's barf. That's disgusting. Ugh. That's disgusting. Ugh. Here you go. Alright. That's the barf.
What's
That-
this one?
I believe this is dead fish. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, looks like dead fish. So I'm guarantee you this is the worst. Dead fish. Ah.
That is fish.
Ugh. That's disgusting. Is there any we didn't try?
I don't know what's all them white ones. We tried them ones. That's milk.
Yeah, that's milk. We already did those. Yep, well, we're done here. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
Peace.